this evening on a silent night vision to create an awareness to the public. We are here actually from Nagoa village, Nagoa Fundevado, and the neighboring village around here to speak about the safety measures that we need to educate people about. Okay, we are in a process of forming a road safety traffic management committee by the Panchayat, and I would like to speak to you about this Good Samaritan law that we are talking about, which has been passed by the Supreme Court. It's a judgment on the 30th of March 2016, which not many people are aware of. Basically, it's a Good Samaritan is a person who will be there to help the person who is on an accident zone and take him to the hospital, wherein there will be no harassment by the police in case he's there, because people get scared that they will get into police cases and all. So here is a case situation where he will not be harassed by the police. There will be no liabilities on him whatsoever, that he has to pay any money to the hospital. The hospital will admit the patient. He will have no criminal liabilities, neither any civil liabilities. His identity will be disclosed, and last but not the least, he will there will be no detention in the hospital. So basically, this is the poster which we are trying to promote and speak about the Good Samaritan law, which many people are not aware about. So also we are also concerned about getting speed breakers in place, getting them painted. There has to be a signage. There has to be people need to know that they are supposed to wear a helmet, because helmet is not something that we wear because the police is going to catch you for a fine. They are concerned because the state is concerned about your safety, so that we don't have more casualties in hospital. There are so many deaths that are taking place only because of the helmet which is not being worn. Besides that, we also need to see that people wear the ISI marked helmet, which is more of safety measure, just not wearing a helmet. Buckle your helmet, and also drive safely. We need to create awareness about people who are driving rash and negligently, and also people who are consuming substances which is harmful for them, and they also cause harm to others.
We are gathered here today to make a plea for safety on our roads in Goa. Many of our roads are death traps, but we also, as motorists and cyclists, have to play our part. Those driving on two-wheelers need to make sure to wear helmets, even if it is for a short distance. We had a man killed a week ago because the speeding car hit him, and unfortunately he had no helmet. So please let us all take this warning and drive safely and keep everybody else safe on the roads. Thank you.
We are observing a night vigil to create an awareness among not just our villagers but the general public to drive safely and to observe some road safety standards. You see, our villages are no longer laid back and quiet. There's so much of development happening in our villages. Our roads are getting widened to connect to the international airport. We have many commercial establishments now being mushrooming, resorts mushrooming up. So we have to take extra care that we drive safely on our roads. And while our government and our panchayats are in the process of putting up speed breakers and speed limits, and also installing signals at our village circles, we are all doing all of this.